Have you ever recorded a video, jumped on a Zoom call, or taken a selfie, and thought, why does this light look so bad? Well, today I'm testing out this 128 LED rechargeable selfie and video light. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks, how it sounds, and whether it's actually worth it to even buy. It's very cheap. I remember buying it for it's around a tenner. I believe it's on like offer sale right now. So yeah, this is a small portable light designed for phones, laptops, cameras, and tripods. It's perfect for content creation, video calls, makeup, or streaming. Let's get into unboxing it now. So yeah, right out of the box you get the LED light itself, the USB-C charger cable, and lastly the clips and the tripod adapters. So there you go. And of course the manual, it's attached with the magnet circle thing. I'm not sure what it's used for. I'll have to research that a little bit more. Yeah, and the first thing I noticed is how compact and lightweight it is. It easily fits into a bag or even a pocket. The build feels solid, not cheap, and the clip has a nice strong grip as well. So yeah, there's a clip. And this is the tripod clip adapter. The best things about this light is that it can be clipped onto your phone, for example, which will be used obviously using this circle magnet, which you have to tear off this plasticky bit so that the sticky bit can go on the back of the phone while the magnet holds the light itself. And this is on my actual phone that I use, so this is how it looks when you attach it. Obviously you're not going to attach it here, but this is for just demonstration purposes. Obviously I'm not going to use it like this. I'm going to obviously use it using the holder clip. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can clip this on to your phone using one of the attachment clips from the tripod. I would have to take off my phone that I'm recording on and then show you how it's done. So first of all, you just attach this to either you can attach it to here horizontally or vertically, but I'm gonna do it vertically because that's the orientation I chose. So yep, that's that. Now you take it to your clip from your tripod, and then you attach it onto the head. As you can see, there's a little bit of a groove here, so you can just attach it on top and it should click into place, or not. I think it doesn't click, there's no audible click, but anyway, yep, that's basically it. There's a way to tighten it as well so it doesn't fall off easily, so I think you just do that, turn it to the right, and that should tighten it. I think turn it to the left makes it loose, so yeah, there you go. So it's not going to fall off easily, and there, that's it. Now we're going to test out the light and basically give you a preview of how it looks with the 3 different modes of the light. Also I'm going to demonstrate it, how you can attach it to your laptop, maybe if you want to do it on your laptop. Since I've got a laptop here, I might as well just do it, show you how to do that. But before we do anything else, let me just show you quickly what it looks like while I've got it attached to the tripod with the lights off as well. So the lights off now, and then I'm going to turn it on. So yeah, just so that you can have a proper look at the light and how it actually looks. So yeah, here it is. I'm just going to show you just this area here, and I'm going to just cycle through the different modes. So you've got the cool white, well, let me just go back. You've got the cool white, which is this setting, and then you've got the warm white, and then you've got the both combined the two modes together, which is the cool white and the warm white. I'm not sure if it means daylight, but anyway, you get the idea. And that is basically it of the 3 modes here. Obviously, I'm going to keep it on cool white for now, and you can obviously make it more brighter, so it goes really high as well. So there's about 9 clicks before you can turn it all the way to the highest max, and then about 7 clicks, I think. So yeah, you can turn it 7 clicks up to the highest setting, and then turn 7 clicks down to the lower setting. So yeah, I'm going to keep it on the lower setting for now. But yeah, that's basically it of the 3 modes. So here is the LED light again, and I'm going to place this clip, which is like, I think for laptops you can attach it onto the laptop itself. And let me just focus this a little bit better. Just turn this up so you can take it to there, the top here. And basically, yeah, what I'm just going to do is just attach this point onto the bit where it slots in. So I'm going to choose obviously vertical because that's the orientation I chose. And oops, let me turn that back down. Yeah, so yep, so I'll just attach the clip so that I can place it onto the laptop itself, and boom, there you go. So it's just pinching onto the little bit of front here, and yeah, that looks good. So every time you're maybe doing a video call or something like that on a laptop, that's your best friend right there. It can go to different modes. Obviously I just showed that beforehand, and different brightness as well. So yeah, and that is basically it. Also, another thing is that the light is rechargeable through the USB-C. So you charge it right here. A full charge gives you hours of use depending on the brightness, which is great for long recording sessions or traveling. Obviously you can slip it into your bag or pocket. It's very small and lightweight, so it's definitely something that you could just take anywhere with you on the go. So yeah, this light is perfect if you create content on the go for YouTube or Instagram, do video calls or online meetings, filmmaking up tutorials, product reviews. You can stream or record with a video phone, as I'm doing now, and especially useful if you don't have a big enough space for big studio lights. So overall, this 128 LED selfie light is simple, affordable, and extremely practical. The adjustable brightness, multiple light modes, and flexible mounting options makes it a great all-in-one lighting solution. If you're looking for an easy way to instantly improve your lighting without expending a load of money or setting up bulky gear, this is definitely worth a check out. I'll leave a link in the description down below, and take a closer look at if you want to consider buying it. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you came this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.